Hi there, this is Dina Okba. I'm a miniaturist and I do the art of recycle. If this is the first time you know me, so see my videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. I need a lot of comments. I need a lot of activity on my channel because will help me a lot and help the channels to grow up. So hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. And I need your opinion and what we can do, what else we can do. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys, this is the porcelain dough. See how soft it is? I'm using it. I put here some colors like ochre color or beige because that's the color of the dough of the tart. I mix it well, and you don't have to put too much color because you know this dough when it dries it become more darker in color. So I have to put this in consideration. I mix it very well and I just keep it covered with something because this is dry in the sorry, this is the salt dough. It dries in the air. So I have to cover it and take only the piece I'm using at the time. So now I do my mold here. I just put flour in it because I don't want the dough to stick. It will be easy for me to remove it in the end. I have to put little pressure and form it like I'm making a normal tart. Yeah, like we do the normal tart, and we remove the excess. The reason that I put flour, so it will be easy for me to remove it from the mold if I want to make a piece and I want to cut it, okay? But if I'm not going to remove it from the mold and I'm not gonna make a C-section on it, then I leave it. Too much pressure and remove the excess. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna put them in the fridge till I prepare the next. Now this is a porcelain dough. I color it with this color, grape color, and I cut it small pieces like this with this tool, the grinder, because I want to make the filling. I'm going to measure how much I want. Then I will mix it with raisin. This is a raisin which is 1 to 1. So the same number I put from A, I put the same number from B. Other raisins is portion 1 to 2, so you have to read the instruction in the box. Every raisin is different. So I will mix them, and if I need more color, it's like that. I will mix and I put some. Okay, it's like that. So I will I put the vanilla essence. You can't imagine how the smell is really cool. It won't affect it won't affect the dough, but it's really cool. It makes very nice smell. Well, here I'm gonna divide it in the pie, and I will leave some in the end. I will tell you later. I will show you later what we will do. Now we come for the blueberry tart. Same like what we did. Same amount from A and B from the raisin. Careful, you have to put exactly same quantity. If there is a difference in the quantity, the raisin will not harden. Then you will end up with problem. This is vanilla essence. And here I mix them very well. And here I'm using the foam. This is small foam. I mix them with blue and purple to have the blueberry. When I mix them with the raisin, here we go, it will make something like sauce. Now in this level, I can add a little bit red or I can add a little bit purple. I will just manage it to have the same color as the normal one. I put it in the mold on top of the tart here. Here we go. I leave some extra Seem like the red berry tart. I'll tell you why. Now I have this dough. I just cut stripes like that, similar size, because I'm going to make the topping. To arrange them nicely next to each other, the space between them should be the same. And I measure the size of the tart because I'm going to use it as a cover on top. Now I stick it so it won't move. And I start putting them alternative. One line, then I use the other line. Same as explained here in front of you. Now I'll take the other lines. Like this. Then I make opposite. Keep doing this till I cover all the area, which will be enough to cover the tart. See? When I'm satisfied with the size, I will cut it, the cookie cutter, and I remove the excess, and as I said, we cover it from the air. Now, before I put it on the tart, I will have to give it a tone. With a makeup brush, big brush, I just give some tone. I always like to color with the pastel, soft pastel. I don't like to color, or watercolor. I don't like to color with acrylic because it gives dark and I cannot make it light. Always when we color, we have to make it grades from lighter to darker. Because if it's light, we can make it dark, but if it's dark, we cannot make it light. Now we have to stick it here with a little bit water in the brush, and or PVA glue if you have, doesn't matter. And I have to put pressure a little bit, not hard, because now the tart when it comes out from the fridge, now it is soft again. The reason of putting it in the fridge is it will help us when we cut it and make a slice out of it. And we have only some kind of 5 minutes, and after that it will become soft again till it will start to make the natural normal process for getting harder in the air, which will take 1 day or 2 days. I'm putting it in the freezer to speed the process because I want to make a cut and I don't want the things inside to mix. Now I put it on this card and I start to giving a tone on the sides of the tart. Now if you want to put sugar on top, crystal sugar, that's fine. Or powder sugar, it depends, but I wanted to leave it like this without anything. Okay, final coloring on the edges, I make it a little bit darker. Now the blueberry, I'm going to make a topic which is a little bit different. So you can have here two different styles. I'll make it thin and I'll cut it with that tool. Make long stripes like that. Sure that you make them a little bit far away from each other so we can see the color of the tart inside, the color of the filling. Same like what we did with the red one. We cut it with the cookie cutter and we sealed it here with water, and top of it we will just put them with slightly space between them. Some. Now when I have to join them by mixing the two sides of dough together in a natural way. it. Now start coloring, using some tones by levels, lighter and darker and darker and darker. I'm using an old credit card which is expired. It helps me to control moving the pie and color it from every side, all the sides, because I cannot put pressure on it. It's soft. Time to color the plates. I have this cup of yogurt plastic container. I cut them. They look like glass plate, and I'm coloring them. I'm giving here. I want to make it like Christmas decoration, so I'm colored it with green, and I'm going to put some red. Then I will spray it with gold from the back because I need to have a cut of the pie with a good presentation. During the time, the pie is again to the freezer because I am going after that to make a cut. Don't worry, from putting it in the freezer, nothing will happen to it. Now, having the red. And make any design at the back. You can make a Christmas tree, you can make... Now I take it from the freezer and I make a cut. You can see how neat and clean because it's hard. And before it becomes soft again, now I have to give the texture and do it with this tool from both sides. See how it looks when I put with the plate? Now it comes, I have to make texture also in the pie itself. Now it comes why I told you that I'm gonna leave part of the filling, because when it comes from the freezer, I need to put some gaps. There is some empty gaps, so I have to fill it with this filling. And also, I need to put it fill it like it's full down on the plate, so it look more realistic. Now it's very important. If I'm going to put my pie, if I keep it in the mold, in the metal mold, then I have to put these things in there. If I'm going to remove it and put it on the glass plate, as you see, then I have to put it there because this thing, when it's dry, it becomes very hard and it will stick the pie in the plate. You cannot change it, you cannot remove it. So you have to decide where you want your pie to be. This is the blue one, the same as we did. Put it on the side. You can also make some kind of fresh cream and put it next to it white. So it gives more looking good. Just mixing it with a little bit red. MashaAllah. And this is the pies. I have done them. I hope you like them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, please share and subscribe and write for me in the notification, the comments, what do you want me to do next? And any question about the art thing here, you can ask me. More than welcome. You can follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next coming video. Bye bye.